Okay. Now only I'm starting the class. I was just talking about the homework earlier. Now, so we have done the Prathama Vibhakti and the Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Prathama Vibhakti is the Kartru Padam. Kartruna na Karta. The person who is doing the action. He is the subject. If I am talking, I am the subject. If you are listening, you are the object. Okay, the action, the person who is doing the action is the subject. The person who is receiving the action is the object. This we have studied from our school days. The same thing we are going to study in Sanskritam also. So, Prathama Vibhakti is subject, Kartrupadam. Dvitiya Vibhakti forms the object, which is the Karma Padam. So, the Karma Padam will always be in the Dvitiya Vibhakti. The Kartru Padam will always be in the Prathama Vibhakti in the active voice. I repeat again, active voice. Kartari, they say like that. Kartari in Sanskritam, the active voice. Okay, so, but the subject and the verb will go with each other. The subject and the verb. Supposing I say, Balakaha Kalani Kadati. Now, Balakaha is the subject. Ekavachanam. Nalla paakanam. You have to see whether it is Ekavachanam or Dvivachanam or Bahuvachanam. Now, Falani. Falani is the Karma Padam. Karma Padam is Bahuvachanam. But the verb will take only the Ekavachanam because the subject is only one balaka, one child or one boy eats fruits. So balakaha Palani Kadati. You cannot say Kadanti because Palani is plural. Because the subject and the verb only will go together. Just as we are learning in English, just as we are learning in Tamil, the same language principles are the same. But we are learning it in Sanskritam. That is only the new thing. So, Ramaha Ramo Ramaha Ramam Ramo Raman Mala Male Malaha Malam Male Malaha Dvitiya. Then for the Napumsakalingam, Vanam Vane Vanani. Napumsakalingam, all three are same. The first Vibhakti and the second Vibhakti. Vanam Vane Vanani, Vanam Vane Vanani. It is the same. Till this you are clear what we have done until the last class. Now we are going to the Tritiya Vibhakti. Now what is the Tritiya Vibhakti? Tritiya Vibhakti
ஒரு கர்த்திரு பதத்துல வந்து ஆக்டிவ் வாய்ஸ்ல தான் வரும் பிரதமா விபக்தின்னு சொன்னீங்களா, அது ஒண்ணு மட்டும் திரும்ப கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணுங்க. சாரி.
அதாவது why I said கர்த்திரு பதம் in the active voice is because supposing now you take one sentence in English. You take one sentence in English. Okay. If what you will say, the boy is eating the fruit. There the boy becomes the subject. The fruit becomes the object. So the boy is eating. So the boy is the subject. So that is an active voice. Now supposing you are doing that in passive voice. How will you say? The fruit is eaten by the boy. Okay. That time what happens? The fruit gets the Prathama Vibhakti. Okay. By the boy. So that time the boy does not, the boy is the subject only, but he is not subject. He does not get the Prathama Vibhakti. Understood? Tripura Sundari, madam? Have you understood now?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, I understand, ma'am. Thank you. Oh, thank you so much.
That is why. Active voice. That is why I am specifying it now here itself. Yes, Sumati, madam.
எனக்கு ரெண்டு டவுட் இருக்கு. நீங்க பிரதமா விபக்தின்னு சொன்னது ஒண்ணு, அதுலயும் பிரதமாங்கிற வார்த்தை யூஸ் பண்ணீங்க. அப்புறம் இந்த லிங்கா சொல்லும்போது பிரதம, மத்தியம, உத்தம சொல்லும்போதும் அந்த இது அது அது வந்து எப்படி அது ரெண்டுமே
Prathama Purusha. I saw
இது
you had written Vibhakti. Yeah.
right.
That is, for verbs, it is always Prathama Purusha, Madhyama Purusha, Uttama Purusha. For
Okay.
Vibhakti, it is Prathama Vibhakti. Okay?
Okay.
Tritiya Vibhakti. Then. Now we are going to the Tritiya Vibhakti. Now, Tritiya Vibhakti is what, you know, that is the instrumental case. In English, first will be the subject, the second will be the object, and the third will be the instrumental. What is the instrument? Now, I say, I'm carrying the bag, okay, I'm carrying the bag with my hand. With my hand. I'm going to school by the bicycle. So something is instrumental there. Are you able to get me? What is the instrumental case? Instrument means by means of what? If you are going to school by cycle, you will say, I'm going by cycle. So you are going to school, that is okay. I'm going to school, Prathama Vibhakti I, going becomes the Kriya Padam, and to school becomes the Karma Padam. But by what? By means of what? By bus, by car, by cycle. Okay, I'm eating food. Aham bhojanam khadami. Aham bhojanam khadami. So I am eating food. I am eating food with my hand. Aham bhojanam hastena khadami. கையால. ஆல் உடன் ஓடு தமிழ்ல. அதனுடன். ஆல் உடன் ஓடு. இதனோடு. இந்த தமிழ். Here by, through, with, all that in English. That is the main thing you must understand. By, with, through. They are all for Tritiya. So, in Tamil, நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஆல் உடன் ஓடு, கையால் சாப்பிடுகிறேன். என் தம்பியுடன் செல்கிறேன். அவனோடு கூட. ராமேண லக்ஷ்மணக ராமேண சக வனம் கதக. ராமனுடன் வனத்துக்கு சென்றான். So, that instrumental case is the Tritiya Vibhakti. Are you able to get it now? முதல்ல புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Then we will go to the lesson. So, how we will say? Ramaha Ramau Ramaha. Ramam Ramau Raman. Then the third Vibhakti will be Ramena. Ramena. Then that is Ekavachanam. Dvivachanam. Ramabhyam. Ramabhyam. With the help of two hands. With two hands. Abdina Hastabhyam. Okay. Hasta means hand. It is pullinga. Hastaha. Pullinga. Hastaha, hastau, hastaha. Hastam, hastau, hastan. Hastena. This is Tritiya. Okay, Ekavachanam. Hastabhyam. With two hands. Then, Hastaihi, Ramaihi. With many Ramas. With many hands. We are praying. With, supposing in a temple there are many hands praying. So you will say Hastaihi. Okay. So Ramaihi. So pulling it eppadi varum? Ramena, Ramabhya, Ramaihi. With one Rama. Okay. With two Ramas. With many Ramas. With one hand, with two hands, with many hands. So, Ramena, Ramabhya, Ramaihi. Now, when it comes to Strilingam, how we said Sita, Site, Sitaha, Mala, Male, Malaha, like that. Then Sitam, Tritiya, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Karma Pada, to Sita. Then Site again, then Sitaha, Tritiya. Okay, then Tritiya, how that will come? For Sita, Sitaya. Sitaya. Then Sitabhyam. Sitabhyam with two Sitas. Sitabihi. Sitabihi. I have sent you actually Rama Shabdam, Sita Shabdam, all it is there in GCR. If you look at it also, you will know. But I want to explain it to you and then go to the lesson. Because today's lesson is about the Tritiya Vibhakti. So, with one Sita, with two Sitas, with many Sitas, Sita Bihi. By one Sita, okay, Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sita Bihi. Then, it is very easy for Napumsakalinga. Because Napumsakalinga and Pullinga, from Tritiya Vibhakti onwards, they take the same form. What is the Pullinga form? The same form in Tritiya for Napumsaka also. So what we said? Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. So, Vanena, Vanabhyam, Vanaihi. Okay? Phalena, Phalabhyam, Phalaihi. Are you able to get it?
பழையன எந்த ரெண்டு
முதல்
பெரிய
நா எங்களோட ஒரு டீச்சர் சொல்லுவா நயன்தாரானா
பழையன
பலேன இன்னொன்னு வந்து ந when
ந.
it comes to Tritiya I have to teach you where na will come and where a na will come.
அப்ப
Okay.
ராமேடால நான் வரணும்
நா
முழுக்க
வருது
வரணும். பெரிய நா.
ராமேனால
இது
ஆனா
பழையன
vanenala it doesn't come. So that is the main thing you have to learn when we are learning Tritiya. Good question.
ரா வர்ற இடத்துல எல்லாம் பெரிய நாவும் ஷா அப்படிதான் அதுதான்
அப்படி கிடையாது. I will tell you what is the reason. There is a sutram for it and then we have to learn according to it. So now just get it. Vanena, Vanabhyam, Vanaihi. Okay? So all of you have followed what I said. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha, Ramam, Ramau, Ramane, Ramena, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. Sita, Site, Sitaha, Sitam, Site, Sitaha, Sitaya. Okay, Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabihi. Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Vanam, Vane, Vanani, Vanena, Vanabhyam, Vanaihi. These are the Rupams. Revati madam, did you understand? Sabita madam.
Understood, ma'am.
Okay. Tripura Sundari madam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I understand, ma'am.
Okay.
Clearly. I understand.
Sorry, one doubt, Mata. இது
Yeah.
த்விதியா விபக்திக்கு வந்துட்டு நீங்க 2 சொன்னீங்க 2க்கு வருமா அது?
ஆமா 2. I gave the book to Rama அப்படிக்குள்ள சொல்லலாம்ல.
Okay, so book தானே ஆப்ஜெக்ட் book தானே
Object. I gave Rama. I gave the book. That is object.
I gave the book.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஒரு புக்குக்கு தானே நம்ம வந்துட்டு புஸ்தகம் ததாமி தானே வரணும்.
Yes, dadami, correct. I gave Rama the book. That is indirect object. That is there are 2 objects there. Okay.
Okay.
Let us not bring that here.
Okay.
Only one object we take.
மேம்
Okay.
ஒரு இன்னொரு டவுட். இப்போ நீங்க சொன்னீங்கல்ல மேம் ஐ ஆல் கு ஓடு.
1 minute. 1 minute. Yeah, tell me.
ஐ ஆல் கு ஓடு அப்படி வரணும்னு சொன்னீங்கல்ல இப்போ.
All உடன் ஓடு.
ஆல் உடன். ஓகே மேம். இப்ப அந்த மாதிரி எடுக்கும்போது ராமேன அப்படின் போது ராமனோடு சாரி அப்படி எடுத்துக்கலாம். அப்படி மீனிங் வந்துரும் இல்ல மேம்? ராமாபியாம் போது
இரண்டு ராமர்களுடன்.
ராமர்களுடன். ஓகே மேம். அது அது ஞாபகம்
Tamil,
வச்சுக்கிறதுக்காக தான் மேம்.
to remember in Tamil, that is. In English means with, by, through.
ஓகே மேம்.
Okay.
தேங்க்யூ.
I think I had sent it in the group. I don't know whether I have sent
Yes.
it. I sent it
சப்தம்
earlier.
மட்டும்.
Yes.
ஓகே மேம்.
So these are all main things we have to do. Now we will
Okay.
go to the, yes, Tripura
you.
Sundari madam, you want to ask anything?
Nothing ma'am. I understood now.
Yeah. Sujata madam, kunju, are you able to understand little?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, just try to
Okay.
understand and then you can follow it.
Okay, okay.
Gayatri madam, are you there in the class? Now I will just share the book with you. We can do the Tritiya lesson. Now this is the Shashtaha Pataha. Okay. Now we are in the sixth lesson. Now we are going to do this only Tritiya Vibhakti. Now first let us see the glossary. Now start reading. Sabita madam, you read first. Sabita madam.
glossary
Yeah.
ma'am.
Ama, glossary.
Nauka, boat.
What is the lingam?
Strilingam.
So how you will decline it?
பிரதமா விபக்தி வந்து சீதா, சீதே, சீதா. So நௌகா, நௌகே, நௌகாஹா.
Yes. Tritiya?
द्वितीया विभक्ति வந்து நௌகாம், நௌகே, நௌகாஹா. திருத்தியா விபக்தி நௌக்கியா,
Naukaya.
நௌகயா, நௌகாபியாம், நௌகயாபியாமா, நௌகாபியாமா,
Naukabhyam.
நௌகாபியாம்,
Sitabhyam.
நௌகாபிஹி, நௌகாபிஹி.
Yes. You understood how to do it now?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, good. Then do the next one.
நாவிகஹ, it's a புல்லிங்கம்.
Boatman. Okay.
Boatman. Yeah. And பிரதமா விபக்தி நாவிகஹ, நாவிகௌ, நாவிகாஹா. द्वितीया विभक्ति நௌகம், நௌகம்.
Nauka enga porel. Navika is the word.
நாவிகம், நாவிகௌ, நாவிகான்.
Khan. Okay.
திருத்தியா விபக்தி நாவிகேன,
Kena.
நாவிகேன, நாவிகாபியாம், நாவிகைஹி.
Okay, good. Then do the next one. The next one I will teach. Okay. Now,
Okay.
I have not told you about Ikara Shabdam, Nadi Shabdam. Okay, we have not done Hari Shabdam also. But the Nadi Shabdam, that is Ikara, Strilingam. Just, yeah, I will come back to you again. Yeah. There is one more thing that I ought to tell you. Nadi Shabdam. Nadi Shabdam is Ikara Shabdam, Strilingam. Ikara. Okay, that is one Dirgha Ikara. Nadi. So I think I told you once about it. Then after that we didn't do it. Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. Okay, Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyah. Then Nadim. Nadim. Okay, Namakara only comes. Nadim, Nadyau,
Nadi.
Nadihi. Padmavati madam, Cholungo. Cholungo madam, Cholungo.
Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi, Nadyaha, Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibihi, Nadyai, Nadibhyam.
Okay, விட்டுருங்க. திருத்தியா விபக்தி வரைக்கும் போறோம். Okay. So The Tritiya Vibhakti என்னது சொல்லுங்க பத்மாவதி மேடம். Nadya. Correct? Nadya.
Nadya, Nadibhyam,
Nadibhyam. See.
Nadibhyam,
Nadibhyam.
தீர்க்கத்துல வரும்.
Nadi. ஆமா. Nadibihi.
நதீபிஹி.
Okay. You can mute yourself now. Thank you. So, இப்ப எப்படி பாருங்க. Nadi. Nadyau. Nadyah. Nadi. Nadyau. Nadyah. Pratama. Dvitiya. Nadim. Aham. Nadim. Tarayati. I am crossing the river. Okay. So I am crossing the river. Aham Nadim Tarayami. I should say. Saha Nadim Tarayati. Aham Nadim Tarayami. Then Nadyau again. Then here again it is Nadihi. Nadihi. Nadi apram Visargam. So Nadihi. Now Tritiya. Nadya. Like Sitaya. Here it will be the Dakara will become half. Okay, Nadya. Then here it will be the same Nadi. Nadibhyam. Nadibhyam. Then Nadibihi. Just as we said Sita Bihi, like that, it is also Strilingam Nadi Shabdam also. So it will be Nadibihi. So Nadi, Nadyau, Nadyaha, Nadim, Nadyau, Nadihi. Okay. So Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibihi. Okay. This is for the Shabdam. Now I will share the book with you. Now because now Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabdam will all be like Nadi Shabdam only. Yeah. Beena madam, Sumati madam, do the second and third and fourth.
Kshepani, Strilinga or பார்த்து சொல்லவா ப்ளீஸ்?
பார்த்தே சொல்லுங்க.
Okay.
You all can look and say, don't worry.
Kshepani, Prathama Vibhakti. Kshepani, Kshepanyo.
Shepanyau.
Okay. Kshepanyo, Kshepanyau, Kshepanyaha is Prathama Vibhakti. Kshepani, Kshepanyau, Kshepanihi.
That is Vidya. Yes.
Vidya Vibhakti. Tritiya Vibhakti is Kshepanya. Correct. Okay.
Yes.
Kshepanyam.
Shepanyam illa, Shepanya.
Oh, imma illayanga.
Shepanya da.
Kshepanya, Kshepanyabhi. அது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்கு அந்த வார்த்தை.
இல்ல, first say the word, then add byam.
Kshepanya.
No, don't do anything. Just say Shepani like that only.
Kshepani bihi.
Shepani bhyam is for dvivachanam.
Dvivachanam. Kshepani bhyam, Kshepani bihi.
அவ்வளவுதான். Shepanya, Shepani bhyam, Shepani bihi.
So அந்த நெடில் இது லாங் வந்து அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு.
ஆமா, அப்படியே தான் இருக்கு. It will be long.
இதுல மட்டும்
Yeah, like how we said Sitaya, Sitabhyam, Sitabihi. So the akara will be the same. Dirgha. The same way with Nadi, Nadya, Nadibhyam, Nadibihi.
இப்ப ஃபர்ஸ்ட் விபக்தியில மட்டும் ஹ்ரஸ்வ ஆகுதா அது?
No, hasvam ஆகல. Nadyau, the yakara comes. Dakara, yakara. Nadyau.
Okay.
Nadi, Nadyau. Nadyaha.
Okay.
That is.
Thank you.
Yeah. Then do the Shakatam, the next one also.
Shakatam, Napumsakalingam, cart, Shakatam, Shakate, Shakatani. that is prathama vibhakti. I think second is also the same. Shakatam, shakate, shakatani is vidya vibhakti. Tritiya vibhakti is shakatena, shakatabhyam, shakataihi.
Understood now?
Hmm.
It is Pullinga, Napumsakalinga, or the third vibhakti is the same. From third vibhakti onwards, Napumsakalinga and the Pullinga will be the same form. We don't have to worry. Only the Strilinga will change. Okay. Now, Banu madam, do this Shakatikaha and Kasha.
Shakatikaha, Pullingaha, cartman. So, vibhakti, Shakatikaha, Shakatikau, Shakatikaha. Iti pradama vibhakti. Dvitiya, Shakatikam,
Shakatikam da.
Shakatikam, okay, Ramam. Shakatikam, Shakatikau, Shakatika, Ramam, Rame, Ramam, Rame, Raman. Shakatikan, Dvitiya. Tritiyala, Shakatikena, Shakatikabhyam, Shakatika B.
No. B
Ramaihi, Shakatikahaihi.
Shakatikaihi.
Shakatikaihi.
But do the next one.
Kasha, Strilingaha, whip. Kasha, Kashe, Kashaha. Kashaha, Visargam, Kashaha. Idi Pradama, Dvitiyala, Sitaya, Kashaya, Sitaya.
No, Dvitiya.
Oh, sorry. See, Kasham. Kasham, Sita, Lata.
Kashala. Malam.
Male, Kashe, Mala, Male, Malaha. So, Kashe, Kashaha. Idi Dvitiya. Tritiyala vandittu Kashayaha.
Kashayaha no, Kashaya.
Kashaya, Kashabhyam, Kashabihi.
Okay. Understood these two?
Yes.
Yeah. Revati madam, come online. Revati madam, are you there? Revati madam?
எஸ் மாதா. எனக்கு கட்டாய் வருது மாதா, அதனாலதான் என்னால இது பண்ண முடியல.
சரி, இப்ப சொல்லுங்க. Now you can say.
ஓகே மாதா. நெக்ஸ்ட் சக்கரம், நகும்சகலிங்கம். சக்கரம், சக்ரே, சக்ராணி பிரதமா விபக்தி. திதியா விபக்தி சக்கரம், சக்ரே, சக்ராணி சேம். திதியா விபக்தி சக்ரேன, சக்ராப்யாம், சக்ரைஹி.
அவ்வளவுதான்.
சக்ரைஹி.
குட். அப்புறம் அடுத்தது
பாத
இந்த
புல்லிங்க,
விசர்க்கம் இல்லையா?
புல்லிங்க.
பாதக இல்லையா?
என்னம்மா?
சாரி, பாதக அந்த இது விசர்க்கம் வராதாமாப்பா?
இல்ல, அதாவது சப்தம் is part only, no? Rama சப்தம் தானே. They will give like that only. Okay. Sometimes they can give like that, sometimes they can give like this. Okay, we should understand it. Okay. Come on. Pada. Ipo tell me the shabdam அப்படினா பாதக,
பாதௌ, பாதாம், பாதாக. திதியா விபக்தி பாதம், பாதௌ, பாதான். திருதியா விபக்தி பாதேன, பாதாப்யாம், பாதைஹி.
பாதேன. Okay. Okay.
பாதேன, பாதாப்யாம், பாதைஹி.
Okay. Now I want Tripura Sundari madam, you
Yes.
want to try?
எஸ் மேம். நாரி
Nari,
ஸ்திரீலிங்க.
try பண்ணுங்க.
ஹரி சப்தம் மாதிரி மேம்
ம்.
ப்ளீஸ். இது ஸ்திரீலிங்கத்துல மேம்.
ம்.
ஸ்திரீலிங்க பிரதமா விபக்தி நாரி நாரே
Nadi
நாரே.
சப்தத்தை வச்சுக்கோங்கம்மா. Keep
நதி
Nadi சப்தம் in front of you. The same
Yes,
way you
ma'am.
should do.
ஓகே மேம். நதி அதாவது ஹரி சாரி நாரி நா நா- நாரோ வருங்களா மேம்? நாரோ
Naryau,
நாரியோ.
Naryau.
அவங்க ஹரி
நாரோ.
சப்தம் வைக்கிறாங்க.
ஹரி வைக்காதீங்க.
நதி
ஓ,
Nadi சப்தம்.
நதி சப்தம்.
ஈகாராந்த, ஈகாராந்த.
ஓகே ஓகே.
Not ikaranta, it is dirgha.
ஓகே
Ikaranta, Nadi shabdam. I told you now.
ஓகே
Okay.
ஹரி நாரி நாரோ நாரியோ
Naryau.
நாரியோ நார் நாரியக
அவ்வளவுதான். நாரியாக.
நாரியக நாரிம்
Nareem.
நரீம் நாரீம் அப்புறம் நார்யோ
Naryau.
நாரியோ நாரிஹி
Narihi.
நாரியக நாரியா
Narya.
நாரியா நரீபியா
Naribhyam.
நாரீபியாம் நாரிபிஹி.
Yes. Understood now?
எஸ் மேம் அண்டர்ஸ்டுட் மேம்.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Nadi shabdata vachandella you can do it. Yeah.
ஈகார் அந்தனால நாரி ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ். ஓகே மேம்.
Yeah.
தேங்க்யூ மேம்.
Yeah. Now do the next one. Avam. We did in the last class. Avam. We too.
ஆவாம்
அப்ப முன்னாடி என்ன வரும்? One person. ஏகவச்சனம். What will be the ஏகவச்சனம்?
ஆவாம்
Avam is dvivachanam. We too.
ஓகே
Okay. So ஏகவச்சனம் வந்து I.
ஐ
What is for I? Aham.
அகம்.
Aham.
ஆ.
Avam. Vayam.
இது ஸ்திரீ என்ன லிங்கத்துக்காக இதை எடுத்துக்கணும்?
It is
ஆவாம்.
masculine and all. That is, this is a pronoun. Trishulingeshu. Okay. Trishulingeshu means all the three lingams, the same thing. See, I also, one male also will say I only. Okay. Now one Napumsaka lingam also will say I only. So for all the three lingams, I and you will be the same. It will not change.
ஓகே.
So aham, avam, vayam. I think we did it in the last class. If I am not wrong, yeah. See, asmat shabdam. Aham, avam, vayam. Prathama
Okay.
vibhakti.
ஓகே.
Okay, that is the shabdam is asmat shabdam.
அஸ்மத். ஓகே.
Okay, that adhe madri for you, yushmat shabdam. Tvam for
Tvam.
ekavachanam, yuvam for dvivachanam, and yuyam for bahuvachanam. So aham, avam, vayam.
வயம்
Prathama.
பிரதமா விபக்தி.
Then for yushmat shabda, tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Okay. So we must know this, because when we are writing sentences, we have to know that. Yeah. Now do the next one. Tarataha.
தரத்தக அஹ ராமஹ சப்தம் மாதிரி மேம்.
No. This is all verb, ma. That is why don't mistake. Tarataha, P. It has put P. So it is parasmaipadi. Tarati, like that. Or you gachati, gachataha, gachanti. Do you remember that?
எஸ் மேம்.
Do you know the forms of it? If you don't know, I'll ask somebody else to do it. Then you listen. You listen to the class. It's okay. You listen to the class. Sabita madam. Sabita madam.
Yes, madam.
Yeah.
Tarataha.
Tarataha. இது எந்த இதுல வரும்? எந்த வச்சனம் and எந்த புருஷர்?
ஏகவச்சனத்துல வரும் மேம்.
ஏகவச்சனத்துல வருமா இது? நல்லா திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க.
தரத்தஹ.
திருங்கிற தாத்துக்கு தரதி வரும். தரதி, தரத்தஹ,
தௌதே.
தரந்தி, that is for பிரதம புருஷ. மத்தியம புருஷால
தரத்தஹ.
தரசி.
மத்தியம புருஷல தரசி. ஒரே ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேம், நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன்.
எடுத்து வச்சுக்கோங்க. Everybody look at the book and say. I'm not asking you to say anything by heart. I know that you are very new to all this.
சீதः த
தீதः அந்தி
அந்தி.
சீதः த மீ
த.
வஹ மஹ இதெல்லாம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கணும் நம்ம.
Okay.
So
சரதः மீன்ஸ் இது வந்து பிர-
பரதः மத்தியம புருஷ த்விவச்சனம்.
த்விவச்சனம்
Correct?
மத்தியம புருஷ. Yes, madam.
So what will be the subject? You can put any subject there.
Yes.
Put any subject there. Put shakatam.
Shakatam. ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
Taratah is what vachanam?
த்விவச்சனம்.
Dvivachanam. Okay. So okay, you don't put that. Put yuvam. Because taratah is madhyama purusha. You have to put only tvam and all that. That you cannot put. Okay.
Okay.
Then you have to put only you two cross. Okay. So madhyama
okay.
purusha will be for you.
யுவாம் தரத்தः.
Yuvam taratah. If I have to ask you to put shakatam, what will you put?
சகடம் சகட்டௌ தரத்தः.
Not which taratah will come.
First ta will
Ah,
come.
yeah. So that is what you have to be very, very careful. The first ta will come for the prathama purusha. There that will be third person. Okay,
Okay.
yuvam is the second person, you too. So that only taha will come. Okay, the next one you do kshipati.
Pati.
So kship is the dhatu. Kship is also to push. Kship is also to throw.
Okay.
Kshipati. So this is prathama purusha. What you can put any subject.
நௌகா க்ஷிபதி.
நௌகா ஓகே சரி நௌகா போட் வந்து புஷஸ் போட்டே புஷ் பண்ணுமா?
ஹஸ்தः க்ஷிபதி.
இல்ல 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 some subject you put which will be கொஞ்சம் புரியுற மாதிரி.
Okay.
Somebody pushes, right?
Okay.
Who pushes?
ராமः க்ஷிபதி.
அவ்வளவுதான் something. Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you can mute yourself. Ramya madam has come. Is she there? No. Okay. No, அடுத்தது I want Sumati madam. Vrishabha, you leave it. Come to Tadayati.
ரிஷபஹ.
அது வேண்டாம். அது திருப்பி புல்லிங்க தான். I don't want that.
தாடயதி.
Vrishabhana bull. Okay. Tadayati. Come to Tadayati.
என்ன பீட் சம்திங் பீட்ஸ்.
Yeah. But what is that now? You can say the Rupam.
பரஸ்மைபதி.
Latlakaram. Ekavachanam.
லட்லகாரால
Prathama Purusha.
பிரதம புருஷ அண்ட் சிங்குலர்ல ஏகவச்சனம்
Tadayati.
அண்ட் பிரசன்ட் டென்ஸ். ஓகே.
So,
தாடயதி.
how you will say Tadayati?
தாடயதி தாடயத்தக தாடயந்தி.
அவ்வளவுதான். Now what subject you can put in front of this?
அத்தியாபிகா
Adhyapika Tadayati. Okay.
தாடயதி.
Okay. Here in the lesson also you can put Shakatikaha Tadayati. Shakatikaha is the cartman.
ஓகே.
Okay. யார அடிக்கிறான்? Vrishabam.
ரிஷபம்.
See, I'm using Vrishabam Dvitiya Vibhakti. Correct? He's beating the bull. He beats the bull. So I'm using that Vrishabam Dvitiya Vibhakti. That is how you frame the sentence. Then the next one. Ahvayati.
ஆஹ்வயதி is
Calls.
Prasmaipati calls. Okay. That is also Ekavachanam and Prathama Purusha.
Yeah. So somebody calls. You can say somebody.
Woman, Nari, Ahvayati.
யார கூப்பிடுறா? Somebody she calls.
நாவிக்கः. boatman
நாவிக்காக
to-
சொல்லணுமா?
நாவிக்கः சொல்லக்கூடாது. So,
வித்யா, there
இது
you must
வித்யா
put an
விபக்தி
object.
சொல்லணும்.
ம்.
ராமம். So,
ம்.
நாவிகம்.
ஆஹ்வயதி.
நாரி
Okay.
நாவிகம் ஆஹ்வயதி.
அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, good. Banu madam, come do the next two.
Jigra, smell.
ம்.
So Parasmaipati. சென்டென்ஸ் சொல்லணும். இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்லணும்னாக்கா பரஸ்மைபதியில
That is the
Pratama
verb which
Purushaga,
is given here.
Pratama-
Verb is given. Okay. So jigrati,
ஜிக்ரதி, ஜிக்ரதக, ஜிக்ரந்தி.
அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, leave it. Then the next one is akaranyati will come. Okay.
ஓகே.
I will, there are different forms of the verb. So akaranyati, to hear.
ஆகர்ணயதி, டு ஹியர். ஓகே, ஆகர்ணயதி. So ஆகர்ணயதி, ஆகர்ணதக, ஆகர்ணந்தி.
Okay, that we will see the form. Okay. Now we will go to the lesson. I hope you have all understood this. If we do the glossary only, we can do the lesson easily. Yeah. Now Banu madam can read the first two.
நௌகா.
ஒரு டவுட். முன்னாடி இப்ப நீங்க சொன்னீங்களே ஜிக்ரக்கு சொன்னேன் இல்லையா
ஆமா.
இந்த கிளாஸரியில, அதுக்கு
ஆமா.
என்னது? ஜிக்ரதி,
Smell.
ஜிக்ரதயக,
Jigrati.
ஜிக்ரதி, ஜிக்ரத, ஜிக்ரதக, ஜிக்ரந்தி.
ஜிக்ரதி,
Hmm.
ஜிக்ரதக, ஜிக்ரதி. ஓகே.
ஜிக்ரந்தி, இந்தி, ஜிக்ரந்தி.
Okay.
ஓகே.
நௌகா,
Hmm.
ஷகடம்.
Hmm.
இயம் நௌகா,
Hmm.
இதம் ஷகடம்.
Hmm. Now you know all this, right?
நாவிகக. Should I continue?
Yeah, this is what is the translation. Yam nauka.
This is a boat.
Hmm.
The idam, this is a cart.
Cart. Because now shakatam is a napumsakalingam.
Napumsakalingam.
And yam we are putting because it is a nauka is a strilingam.
ஸ்ரீலிங்கம்.
Yeah.
Pullingamā இருந்தா
Revati,
ஐயம் வந்திருக்கு.
Revati madam, read the next two lines.
Okay, ma'am. Shape and Navikaha, boatman.
Hmm.
Shapani, or
Hmm. Hmm.
Tudupu,
Hmm.
Nadi, river.
Hmm.
Chandraha. Chandrahana moon dana, ma'am.
Hmm.
Chandraha. Padaha, foot.
Hmm. Foot.
Nari,
Okay. Hmm.
woman.
Woman. Okay.
Shakatikaha,
Hmm.
cartman.
Hmm.
Kasa, whip.
Hmm.
Chakram, wheel.
Okay.
Avam,
No,
Me
it's
too.
okay, finish.
Avam, you too.
Me too. You too. Okay. Now who is there who has not done? Sabita madam. Now you read the sentence.
ஆவாம் ஷகடேன கிருஹம் கச்சாவஹ,
Hmm.
யுவாம் நௌகயா நதீம் தரதஹ.
Okay. Now do the translation. Avam.
We too.
Hmm. So avam is dvivachanam. So gachavaha is also dvivachanam.
Yes.
Okay. Avam is uttama purusham. Aham avam vayam. That is I. But so gachami, aham gachami, avam gachavaha, vayam gachamaha. will come.
Okay.
So we too.
We too went
Went varadu. This all let lakara. Present tense only we are doing.
we went we too go by
We too go.
Shakate means cart.
We are okay. We too are going where?
home, house,
Home. Going to the house.
house,
Or going
by car.
home
by cart,
by the cart. Okay.
by the
So understood? Shakatena is the Tritiya Vibhakti by the
Yes.
cart. We are going home by
by
the
the cart.
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 Okay. So that is
Yeah.
how it is used. Do the next one. Yuva.
Yuva naukaya nadim tarataha.
Hmm.
They too.
No, no, you too. Yuva means you too.
Sorry, you too. Naukaya means in a
Naukaya is Tritiya. So
Tritiya Vibhakti.
by the
By the boat.
what? Hmm.
Boat. Nadim.
Tarataha is what?
Crossing.
You two are crossing
Crossing the river
river
by boat.
So you two are crossing the river by the boat. Okay. Okay. Now next, who is going to do? Tripura Sundari, try பண்றீங்களாமா?
எஸ் மேம் ட்ரை பண்ணு.
Try.
ஒரு நிமிஷம் மேம், எனது ஸ்கிரீன் எனக்கு ஒரு நிமிஷம். அதுக்கு அடுத்து கேஷ் இல்ல மேம், நாவிகः ஷேபன்யா நௌகாம் ஷிபதி शाकटिकः कक्ष्या वृषभौ ताडयति.
Now do those two sentences.
நாவிக்ன்றது உமன் சொல்லி
Nari woman. Navikahana என்னது? Glossary பாருங்கோ.
சரி.
Look at the glossary. What is Navikaha? What is Navikaha here?
நாவிகः ஒரு நிமிஷம்.
See, I'm
போட்மேன் மேம்.
boatman. Navikaha.
ஷேபன்னா ஓர்.
First understand, Navikaha is boatman. Shepanya is Tritiya Vibhakti here. Then Naukam is Dvitiya Vibhakti. And then Shipati is also meaning is given, pushes. So what you will say?
Okay.
The boatman
pushes.
pushes what?
Or அந்த இது வச்ச நௌகா.
Nauka. What is Nauka means what? Nauka, na, the picture is given, ma. What is a Nauka? Naukam.
இத வச்சிட்டு
தமிழ்ல கூட சொல்லுங்கம்மா. You cannot say in English, start say in Tamil also.
அந்த துடுப்பை வச்சிட்டு படகு
படக தள்ளறார். Okay.
படகு தள்ளறாங்க.
தள்ளறார். Also the Navikaha, the boatman pushes Shipati, the boat Naukam, Shepanya with the oar. Okay.
Okay.
So துடுப்பால
படகை
தள்ளுகிறார்.
Okay.
புரிஞ்சதா?
புரிஞ்சது.
அதான் நான் சொன்னேன், ஆள் உடன் ஓடு. திருத்தியா விபக்தினா ஆள் உடன் ஓடுன்னு. இப்ப இங்க துடுப்பால படகை நௌகாம் ஐ இரண்டாவது விபக்தி. ஐ படகை நாவிகः the boatman. Okay, the boatman pushes the boat with the oar.
Shipati. Okay. Shepanya Nauka Shipati. Okay ma'am. Shakatika.
So what is the meaning of Shakatika? We did know. Glossary la. Cartman.
Cartman ma'am.
Cartman. Kashaya. Vrishabhau
Tadayati. Kashaya the Mama, the glossary.
Kasha is the whip. Okay.
Kasha is the
whip, chatai.
Okay, ma'am. Kashaya.
Kashaya.
Tritiya again. Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay, ma'am. Vrishabhau. Tadayati. Tadayati kala.
Tadayati na adikirar, beats.
Adikirar. Chatai nal.
Vrishabha na bull. Okay, காளை.
காளையை சாட்டை.
காளையை ஒரு காளையா இங்க ரெண்டு காளையா? ரிஷபஹ
2 கால்
ம், ரெண்டு.
காளைகளை சாட்டையால் ஓட்டுகிறார் மேம். ஓட்டி தாடையத்தை
தாடையத்தினா அடிக்கிறார்.
அடிக்கிறார்.
So the cartman beats the 2 bulls with the whip. With the whip.
ஓகே.
Okay. So வண்டிக்காரன் ஷாக்கட்டிகக
ம்.
2 காளைகளை சாட்டையால்
சாட்டையால்
அடிக்கிறார்.
அடிக்கிறார்.
Okay.
ஓகே.
You can mute yourself.
சங்கட்.
No, it's okay. Revati ma'am, வாங்க. No, Revati has done. Sumati
Mata.
ma'am, you come.
எஸ் மேம் படிக்கவா மேடம்?
Sumati ma'am, come.
ஓகே. ஷக்கட்டம் சக்ராபியாம் கச்சதி. So ஷக்கட்டம் is cart. அது வந்து நபும்சகலிங்கம். So அது வந்து first பிரதம விபக்தி. சக்ராபியாம் சக்ர is wheel, பியாம் வந்து third. So பிரதம விபக்தி and
Tritiya vibhakti. Third vibhakti, so Tritiya.
Tritiya vibhakti. Okay. Tritiya vibhakti and I think dual. Yeah. Dvivachanam. Gachati is present tense prathama vibhakti. So goes.
Prathama purusha.
Prathama purusha. Okay. Okay.
So-
Prathama purusha. So Shakatam is again marandu pochu. Cart. The cart is going by 2 wheels.
Cart is going by the 2 wheels or with 2 wheels. Okay.
With 2 wheels. Okay.
Yeah. The next one.
நானேவா அவங்களா?
நீங்களே 2
Okay.
sentences.
ஸ்கிரீன் மாறிடுச்சுமா எனக்கு.
இல்லையே, I'm sharing only.
பெருசாயிருச்சு.
You want it? Now it's okay?
இல்ல நான் எடுத்துக்கிறேன் இருங்க. ஓகே. லதா புஷ்பைஹி லசதி. லதா will be பிரதம விபக்தி. புஷ்பைஹி புஷ்பம் is flower. புஷ்பைஹி will be புஷ்பம் இல்லையா? So புஷ்பைஹி will be திருத்தியா விபக்தி. பகுவச்சனம். So flowers. Lasati அப்படின்னா maybe wearing.
Only shining. We did already earlier. Shines.
Shines. Oh, Lata is creeper. Okay. The flowers of
The
the creeper.
No, the creeper shines with the flowers.
The creeper shines with the flowers. Okay.
Okay. The creeper shines with the flowers.
புஷ்பைஹி தான் இதா மாறுது. Okay.
Okay. Next, Banu madam.
बालकः हस्तेन चन्द्रम् आह्वयति. बालकः प्रथमा विभक्ति, पुल्लिङ्गः एकवचनं, हस्तेन पुल्लिङ्गः द्विवचनं, sorry, third विभक्ति, तृतीया विभक्ति, पुल्लिङ्गः एकवचनं, चन्द्रं द्वितीया विभक्ति, पुल्लिङ्गः चन्द्रं, पुल्लिङ्गः चन्द्रं पुल्लिङ्गः एकवचनं, आह्वयति brings, आह्वयति
Calls.
Sorry, calls. Okay, falls.
CALLS, calls.
Okay, आह्वयति calls.
Anayati da brings.
Okay, आह्वयति. Okay, sorry, falls சொன்னீங்க. आह्वयति falls இல்லையா?
Calls ma கூப்பிடுறது.
CALLS. Okay, calls. Okay, आह्वयति calls.
இதோ இருக்கு பாருங்க.
आह्वयति calls. Okay. Okay. So that is Parasmaipati Prathama Purushaga Ekavachanam. So the boy calls Chandram with the hands. The
boy
in கைகளால்
calls the
சந்திரனை
moon.
கூப்பிடுகிறான். Okay.
கையால் கூப்பிடுகிறான்.
கைகால் சந்திரனை கூப்பிடுகிறான்.
Calls with the hands.
Okay, calls with the hands. Janaha padabhyam gachanti. Janaha Ramaha. Okay, so plural. Prathama Purushaga Bahuvachanam
Pratama
Pullingah.
Vibhakti.
Okay, so Pratama Vibhakti, Pullingah, Bahuvachanam, Padabhyam, Padam, Napumsakalingah, Dvivachanam,
Hmm.
second, Dvitiya Vibhakti,
Dvitiyava, Tritiyava.
Padabhyam, Tritiya Vibhakti, third Vibhakti, Tritiya
Hmm.
Vibhakti, Gachanti, it is Bahuvachanam, Parasmaipati, Pratama Purushaga.
Okay.
மக்கள் கால்களால் செல்கிறார்கள்.
Hmm. People walk with their feet.
Feet.
With the feet. Okay.
Shall I finish
Okay.
the last one or?
Yeah, do it.
Okay. அது கொஞ்சம் தெரியலமா அது கீழே.
Yeah, அது கொஞ்சம் ஒரு மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும் அந்த sentence.
நாரி பத்யா.
நானே சொல்லிடுறேன்.
Okay.
Because that sentence is for so many batches I have taught this lesson, and everybody in this particular sentence, everybody will say, what is this, madam? What is this? So,
Yeah.
Nari Patya Vilasati. So, actually, the woman shines Patya because of the husband. Okay, husband உடன் இருக்கும் பொழுது அப்படியே புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அத.
Okay,
the woman
okay.
shines when she is with the husband. So the
Okay.
sentence has a contextual meaning. It is
Okay.
not directly. The woman shines with her husband. Okay. So her face shines like that. Mukam, அது விலசதி அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். Blossoms அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். Okay. We can also say her face blossoms when she is with her husband. So the sentence is put like that. Nari Patya Vilasati. Okay. Just take it. Just to know what is the Tritiya Vibhakti.
Patya
for
is
the
the Tritiya
Shabdam
Vibhakti.
Pati.
Ikarantaka Srilingaga.
Ikarantaha.
Srilingaga.
Ikaranta Pati. Pati Ikaranta. Shabda, it is not Strilinga. Pati,
Oh,
actually,
Pati. Okay.
it is not Ikaranta also. Pati is Ikaranta only.
Okay.
Ikaranta only. It is a Pati is actually an irregular Shabdam. We don't have to bring it in the regular Shabdam. So it is an irregular Shabdam. So we'll forget this last line. We'll just take it up to Janaha Padabhyam Gachanti. So is there any doubt in this? You can ask me now. We have done everything with the Tritiya Vibhakti as the main and the Pratama and the Dvitiya. Pratama, Dvitiya, Tritiya. With all that we have done. So what you are going to do is, now this Tat Shabdasya, see, don't ask me this. Tat Shabdasya Rupaihi Vakyani Purayata. Using the Tat Shabdam. Tat Shabdam, what did you do? Saha Taute. Okay. So with what Navikaha is Pullinga. So what will come? Saha Navikaha. Then Lata is Strilinga. Lata Kusumaihi Vilasati. So Kusumaihi. So with the Kusumam also is flower. So Kusumaihi is Tritiya. Again, Lata. Apo Sa Lata. So like that. You have to write for Tat Shabda. I will give you homework regarding this. Then we can see that. Yeah. We can do it. So I hope this lesson is a little clear to you, all of you. So now we know 3 vibhaktis, isn't it? The Pratama, Dvitiya and Tritiya. And what is that? Pratama is the subject, Kartru Padam. Dvitiya is the Karma Padam. And the Tritiya is instrumental in Sanskritam. They say Karana Padam. Karana. Okay. Now, in this, Sumati madam was asking me, madam, why it is Nakara and why it is not Nakara. Correct? That is one question we all have to understand when we are doing the Tritiya Vibhakti. Yeah, I will just show you. No. Yeah. Can you see my board here?
Yes, Mata.
Okay. Now, yeah. Now, see, when there is a, what is this? So, when there is R, R is a Swaraksharam. All of you, please mute yourself. All of you, please mute yourself. Now, R is the Swaraksharam. What happened? Went off. When R or Refa, Refa is the R. Okay, Rakara, Refa. We say Refa for that. Because we say R for this Rikara, we say for the R, which is the Swaraksharam. And for this, we say Refa. Okay, Yaralava. We say that is a Refa. Then the Shakara. Which Shakara? Murdhanya Shakara. We have seen all the places of, production of sounds. Sh is Shakara. I said Mukha Shakara. That is Murdhanya Shakara. When these three are there, when these three are there in a word, when it is followed by a na, that na will change to na. See, when it is followed by na, it will change to na. This is called natvam. This is called natvam. Na, ta, ta, da, da, na. So, natvam. This is na. That is na. நம்ம தமிழ் அப்படி ரெண்டு சுழினா இல்ல அந்த நா போடுவோம் இல்லைன்னா ரெண்டு சுழினா அப்புறம் மூணு சுழினா தட் இஸ் நத்துவம். So when does the natvam happen? When the letter now Ramena, why it became Ramena? Now Ra. So this for Ra, Ma, Me. இப்போ நமக்கு நியாயமா what is that? What is the formula for the third one? See now. Hastena. Okay. Hastena. Shakatena. Now see these two words. Hastena and Shakatena. There is no Repa. There is no Rikara. There is no Shakara. Is it there in these two? Here it is Ha, Sakara, Hakara, Sakara, Takara, Ekara, Nakara, Akara. Correct? இப்போ நம்ம சம்யுக்த அக்ஷரம் நம்ம எப்படி பிரிச்சு எழுதினோம்? பிரிச்சு எழுதினா இது எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? ஹு, அ, ஸ், இத்து, then A, then in, then A. This is how we will write if we have to split it and write. So there is no Repa here. With Shakatena also the same thing. There is no Repa, there is no Rikara, there is no Shakara. Nothing is there. But here, you see, first itself the Repa is there. So, according to grammarians, if it is automatically followed, like we say, for example, ipo ka, okay, I will write this here, na, karna, karna means ear. Now, automatically after Refa, if this Nakara comes, it has to become nakara. Understood? Automatically. If a nakara follows a refa, or it follows a rikara, or it follows a shakara, it has to become nakara. The nakara, not na. This na is wrong. But here, after the refa, there is akara. See, Ramayana, how it is refa, then akara, then makara, then ekara, then only it comes na. Correct? So what are there in between? One swaraksharam is there, one makaram is there, again another swaraksharam is there. Then between the refa and the nakara, there are so many things. See, one swaraksharam, one pavarga, pa, pa, ba, bha, ma. So pavarga is there, pavarga aksharam is there, then another swaraksharam is there, then nakaram is there. So what does the rule say? The rule says, if it directly follows a refa, ஒரு ரிகாரா அல்லது ஒரு ரேபா அல்லது ஒரு ஷகாரா, இந்த மூணையும் டைரக்டா ஒரு நகாரா ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டுனா, it will automatically change to natvam. Natvam means nakara, ta ta da da na. Whereas if after the refa or after the rikara, after the shakara, if there are letters in between, aksharas in between, when it will change, this is a swaraksharam. So what does the rule say? Either it should be swaraha, all the swaraha, it should change. Okay, then ka varga. Okay, then pa varga. Okay, at kupwang num vyavaye api abdinu oru panini oru sutram oru. Okay, so that you don't go to the sutram because you don't know that. Ha also, hayavarat, that for that you, if you know the Maheshwara Sutrani only, you will know that. So let us know the sutram. For now, you just keep this in your mind. When the swaraha follows it, or kavarga follows it. Kavarga means what? Ka, ka, ga, ga, nga. Pavarga means what? Pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. These all follow it. Then after the refa or after the rikara, after the shakara, if all these come, so the refa will be, the nakara has to become natvam. Are you able to get me now? யாருக்காவது புரியலன்னா திருப்பி கேளுங்க. Please ask me again. Who is the swaraksharam? Refa. Yara la vala vara refa. Then shakara. Sa sha, sha sha, sa ha. Okay, that's it. Then after that, if there is a refa followed by, these three are followed by a nakara, it should change to wrong. Refa is there, is followed by akaram. It's a swaraksharam. Then makaram, it is wrong. So when it is all the conditions are fulfilled, the nakara should not be there. It should be nakara. Puriyadama? Are you able to get me?
Yes, Mata. Yes.
What? Say yes or no?
Yes, yes.
So, okay. With this only we will know where we should put. That is why we said hastena, we should sakatena, but we said ramena. Okay. That is where it goes. Yeah. So whenever we are learning Tritiya Vibhakti, we have to be very careful about the ekavachanam. The ekavachanatla da that ina will come. Ina. The ekavachanam only will take ina. Rama plus ina will be Ramena. That is all very high. That all, let us not think of all that now. Ramena is the rupam when, because after refa, akara is there, makara is there, which belongs to the pavargam. So ekara is there, which is the swaraksharam. So nakara will become natvam. Okay. So with that, we will stop this. We will go to the other part of our class, which is the sambhashanam. I'll just share with you and document. Yeah. So today I want to teach you one new thing. Just as we did tad shabdam. Tad shabdam, what we did? Saha, tau, te. Correct? Then first pullingam. For strilingam, what we did? Sa, te, taha. Then for napumsakalingam, tat, te, tani. We did all this. So same way, that tat is for that. Then I said I am this. That is only a demonstrative pronoun. The same thing here also. Yeshaha, yesha, yetat. Is the shabdam. Is the shabdam. All lingams. Yetad is the shabdam. Okay. So for yetad, it will be yeshaha, yesha, yetat. So I will be sharing the screen with you. Oh, see this. Yeshaha balakaha. This is a boy. Yeshaha balakaha. Now you ask the question. Yeshaha kaha. Yeshaha balakaha. Okay. Yeshaha balakaha. Yeshaha is for pullingam. Okay. This is a boy. Okay. Then yeshaha.
ஏஷகன்னா என்ன புரியல ப்ளீஸ் சொல்லுங்க.
This இது
தத்துக்கு பதில் ஏஷக சொல்லலாம்னு சொல்றீங்களா?
இல்ல, தத்து வந்து
that. ஓகே.
இது வந்து this I am க்கு பதிலா.
ஓகே ஓகே.
பக்கத்துல இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு. Those who are nearby. That this வந்து எப்படின்னா it is just like a demonstrative pronoun. I am. But here nearby is called yeshaha. Far by is tat. Okay. We will see the exercises where both are together. Yeshaha Ganeshaha. See, the picture is Yeshaha Ganeshaha. So you ask the question, Yeshaha kaha? So the answer is Yeshaha Ganeshaha. So Yeshaha is pullinga. Yeshaha is pullinga. Yeshaha Skandaha. Yeshaha kaha? Yeshaha Skandaha. Okay, or you can say Yeshaha Murugaha. Also, you want to say anything? Okay, anything you can say. Yeshaha Shivaha. Yeshaha kaha? If any, Yeshaha Shivaha. They have put all the gods. Yeshaha Venkateshaha. Yeshaha kaha? You ask the question. Yeshaha Venkateshaha. Be the answer. Yeshaha Vivekanandaha. Yeshaha kaha? Yeshaha Vivekanandaha. Yeshaha Subhash Chandra Bosaha. Yeshaha kaha? Yeshaha Subhash Chandra Bosaha. Okay. Yeshaha Bharatiyar. Yeshaha kaha? Yeshaha Bharatiyar. Now, Yeshaha Thiruvalluvar. Yeshaha kaha? Yeshaha Thiruvalluvar. Now comes the Strilinga. Yesha. Yeshaha Pullinga. Yesha Strilinga. Okay. So, Yesha Balika. Yesha Ka. பாருங்க, the question எப்படி மாறுறது? Kaha for pullinga. Ka for Strilinga. Esha Balika. Esha Ka. Esha Balika. Esha Adhyapika. Esha Adhyapika. Esha Ka. Esha Adhyapika. Esha Radha. Esha Radha. Esha Ka. Esha Radha. Esha Parvati. Esha Ka. Esha Parvati. Esha Saraswati. Esha Ka. Esha Saraswati. Okay. அடுத்தது பாருங்க மாறிட்டு நபும்சகலிங்கம். Now நபும்சகலிங்கம் becomes etat. Esha, esha, etat. Just like our tat shabdam undi. That is saha, sa. Here it is shaha, sha. Okay, just as that is tat, here it is etat. Okay, etat griham. Etat kim. See the question. Kaha for pullinga, ka for strilinga, kim for napumsakalinga. Etat kim. Etat griham. Etat pushpam. Etat kim. Etat pushpam. Etat patram. Patram is a leaf. Etat kim. Etat patram. Etat kandukam. Kandukam means ball. Etat kim. Etat kandukam. Etat pustakam. Etat kim. Etat pustakam. இப்போ ஏஷஹ கஹ சஹ கஹ. இப்போ எப்படி வருது பாருங்க. இப்போ ஏஷஹ கஹ சஹ. இப்போ நல்லா பாருங்க. You can see the arrow how it is pointing. ஏஷஹ is person who is close by. This, who is this? அங்க சஹ கஹ, who is that? Okay, now one of you answer. ஏஷஹ கஹ.
एषः रामः.
एषः रामः. सः कः?
एषः कृष्णः.
सः
सः कृष्णः.
सः कृष्णः. एषः रामः. सः कृष्णः. The person who is far away becomes सः. The person who is nearby becomes एषः. Okay. Now एषः कः. They have given also. What is it?
एषः गजः.
एषः गजः.
सः
सः कः? सः
काकः.
काकः. Okay. Sujata madam, can you answer anything? एषः. No, you don't answer this.
एषः. एषा
एषा स्त्रीलिंग.
स्त्री. सा
एषा
दुर्गः.
एषा दुर्गा.
दुर्गा. Okay.
Okay. सा चलो सा. For
सा.
those who are far away, it is सा.
सा.
सा दुर्गा.
सा
एषा.
दुर्गा.
एषा राधा. Okay.
राधा.
Radha. Anything you can say. Esha Stri also you can say. It's a lady or woman also, but they showed the photo of Radha like this, so I'm saying. Esha Radha. Sa
Durga.
Durga. Okay. Now here they have given.
एषा सरस्वती. सा पार्वती.
Sa Parvati.
Parvati.
Yes. Okay. Now they have given this. Tripura Sundari, can you try?
Yes, ma'am. Etat kim? Sangana. Etat kim?
அந்த கம்ப்யூட்டருக்கு ஒண்ணு சொல்லிருக்காங்களே. சங்கணகம்.
சங்கடம்.
சங்கணகம்.
சங்கணகம் kim?
Oh, etat sanganaka. Kimna what ma?
What?
They have to give the answer. Etat
Etat
sanganakam.
சங்கணகம். Etat sanganakam.
அப்போ தத் கிம் தள்ளி இருக்கிறது.
தள்ளி இருக்கிறது வந்து விமானம்.
தத் விமானம்.
தத் விமானம்.
தத் விமானம்.
தத் விமானம்.
Okay, do the next one also, Tripura Sundari.
Yes, ma'am. ஏதத் ஏதத் மந்திரம் ஏதத் கிம் தத் கிம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஏதத் மந்திரம் தத் கிரகம்.
கிரகம். ஓகே ஓகே.
நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன்
ம்.
ஏஷக
ஏஷக
ஏஷக பாய், அதாவது ஓ க
என்ன கேட்கணும்?
க ஆமாங்க மேம். க
கஹ.
ச கஹ.
ஏஷக கஹ.
ஏஷக கஹ. ஓகே.
அப்போ ஏஷக
ஏஷக
யார் அது?
பாய்.
பாய், what would you say?
பாய் பாலக்
பாலகஹ.
பாலகஹ. ஏஷக பாலகஹ.
The girl is asking ஏஷக
பாலகஹ.
கஹ.
ஓகே.
ஏஷக பாலகஹ.
ஓகே.
Then the girl is again asking சஹ
Oh.
கஹ.
சஹ சஹ. ஓகே. கஹ சஹ.
சஹ.
ஆன்சர் வந்து கஹ.
Same answer is the same. சஹ பாலகஹ.
கஹ பாலகஹ. ஓகே.
Same balakaha only, but it is close by. So yeshaha balakaha. Now the boy is far away. So saha balakaha. புரியுதாமா? பக்கத்துல இருந்தா yeshaha, தூரக்க இருந்தா saha.
Okay ma'am.
Now the boy is asking. Next, Revati madam, try பண்ணுங்க.
மதா ஏஷா ஏஷா கா ஏஷா பாலிகா சா கா சா பாலிகா.
Good.
Same only, no man.
Yeah, then do this.
ஏதத் கிம் ஏதத்
காரயானம்.
காரயானம் காரயானம்.
ம்.
தத் கிம் தத் காரயானம்.
Yanam, yanamna vehicle. Okay. Yanamna vehicle. Okay, it's a car vehicle, so karayanam.
காரயானம்.
For bus you say lokayanam. For bus it is lokayanam. For car it is karayanam. Okay.
காரை. Okay.
So now next, Sumati madam, what will you say?
ஏஷக ஏஷக கஹ. ஏஷக யுவகஹ. இது வந்து சஹ சஹ கஹ சஹ பாலகஹ. ஏஷக கஹ ஏஷக ஸ்கந்தஹ. சா கா சா ராதா.
Good. Now next, Sabita madam.
एतत् किम् एतत् पत्रम् तत् किम् तत् फलम्.
Sorry. Okay, I think we are done with this. Now I want to come to this exercise. Okay, now let me see how you answer. Eshaha kaha saha
एषः कः सः कः. एषः डॉक्टर क
Vaidyaha.
वैद्यः. पोलीस
Arakshakaha.
आरक्षक.
Arakshakaha. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Arakshakaha. Arakshakaha. அடுத்ததுமா பானு மேடம்.
ஏஷக கஹ சஹ கஹ. ஏஷக கபி
கபிஹி.
கபிஹி. ஏஷக கபிஹி.
இல்லைன்னா வானரகன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஓகே.
ஏஷக வானரக. சஹ
மக்கரக.
மக்கரக. சஹ
crocodile. சஹ
Makaraha.
Makaraha.
Eshaha kaha. Saha kaha. Eshaha.
Deepahana light. Because we are
Karadipaha.
keeping this in our
Karadipaha.
hand. Karadipaha.
Karadipaha. Eshaha karadipaha. Saha
Chashakaha.
Shashakaha.
Chashakaha.
Shashakaha.
Chashaka.
Sa sha ka.
Soil. Chakara.
Chakara. Okay. Cha
Sha.
the
Murdanya Shakara.
Murdanya sha. Okay.
Shanuga Sha.
Chashakaha.
Chashakaha. Eshaha Karadipaha.
Eshaha karadipaha.
Saha
Chashakaha.
Chashakaha.
Esha
Now
ka.
next.
Okay.
No, you. It's okay. Revati, madam.
Yes, Mata.
Esha ka. Ka. Esha.
Esha ka. Esha Atyapika. Sa ka. Sa Balika.
Balikahal. Balika da. You must say Yuvati. Okay, she's not a small girl.
Sa
Yuvakaha. Yuvati. Okay.
Okay.
Yuvati. Sa
Yuvati.
Yuvati. Okay. Okay, these are all konjam. Okay, it's easy only. Do it. Try it. I'll help you. One of our old students can say, whoever is ready. I don't know who has joined today. Many are on leave today. Okay. If nobody can say, I will say.
Hari Om.
Yeah, Bala madam.
வேற யாரும் சொல்றேன் நாங்க.
Esha ka.
Esha.
This is the ant, right? First one is the ant. Second, it is sugar. Yes, Bala madam, say. Avalku theriyadu.
Esha pipilika.
Pipilika, yes. Pipilika is the ant. For sugar.
Sa madhura.
Madhura angrada vada sharkara.
Sharkara.
Okay. Sharkara will be the correct word.
Okay.
Madhurana, the sweetness vandrum. Maduram, sweetness vandrum. Okay. So sharkara.
Esha sa sharkara. Sharkara.
So pipilika is the ant. This is just for knowing what it is. Yeah, just Sumati madam, you can try this.
Esha ka Esha nadi. Correct-ஆ?
Correct தான்.
அப்புறம் இது தெரியல டெலிஃபோன் என்ன
டெலிஃபோனுக்கு என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? தூரவாணி.
அப்போ சா கா சா தூரவாணி.
So அவ்வளவுதான். நிறைய words just to say this. I think these are all okay. We'll go to Etat. This somebody can say Sabita. We already did this. Sabita madam, are you there?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam. Etat kim? Etat griham. Tat kim? Tat mandiram.
Okay.
Etat kim? Etat bhojanam. Tat kim? Dining table தானே இது?
இல்ல சேர் சொல்லுங்க. ஆசந்தம்.
ஆசனம்.
ஆசந்தம்.
ஆசந்தம்.
ஆசந்தம் the chair. Okay.
Okay.
ஆசந்தம்.
ஆசந்தம்.
Asandam. Okay, this is all we can do in the next class. I think this is over. How was it? Was it okay?
Yes.
Yes, Mata. Nice.
Madam.
Just Just to see the pictures and say, rather than me teaching you, I thought it will be easier for you to look at the pictures and say that. This is gathering them only, it's a little difficult for me, but because long time earlier I've studied, but it's okay. Just see. Little we'll do the Sambhashanam. In this, there are also the time, also that what we have done. Yeah, I'll stop the recording.